The Government of India's Ministry of Law and Justice notified the Code on Wages 2019, which aims to modify laws related to salaries and incentives as well as other matters. The new wage bill is expected to have a significant effect on the salaries of both central government employees and private sector jobs. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced that the Code of Wages Bill, which was passed in December, has now taken effect from April 1, 2021. The government had put off implementing it because it wanted to do so with the other three codes on industrial relations, social security, and occupational health, safety, and working conditions. The government hopes to amend labor regulations and bring employees and employers closer together through this implementation. The codes will be critical in the year following the coronavirus pandemic, which wreaked havoc on the economy last year. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax, and today I'll be talking about how your EPF will increase significantly due to the change in rules. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin. Private businesses started to pay a larger portion of the wages in the form of allowances. In the private sector, basic pay ranges from 25 to 40% of the total cost of the business, also known as CTC. Employees' minimum basic pay will be 50% of their CTC after the implementation of the new wage code on April 1. The rest will be made up of different allowances such as leave travel, HRA, conveyance, and so on. This single reform would result in a substantial increase in the Provident Fund and gratuity savings. According to EPFO law, all PF withdrawals are tax-free, so this increase in EPF balance as a result of the new Wage Act will bring significant relief to EPF account holders. Salaries to calculate gratuity and Provident Fund payments must be at least 50% of the employee's gross salaries according to the proposed amendments. Employers would have to increase the minimum pay part of the compensation to comply with this law, which will result in a proportional rise in gratuity payments and employee contributions to the Provident Fund. For example, consider an employer receiving a monthly salary of Rs 20,000 with minimum pay of Rs 8,000 and the rest protected by allowances before April 1, 2021. The basic pay, however, will increase to Rs 10,000 after April 1. Allowances will be reduced to Rs 10,000 from Rs 12,000. However, in this situation, the employee's Provident Fund contribution would increase from Rs 960 to Rs 1,200. An employee receiving a monthly salary of Rs 20,000 with minimum pay of Rs 8,000. The employee's Provident Fund contribution in this situation will be 12% of basic salary or Rs 960. His contribution will be Rs 30,99,693 if he retires at the age of 55, considering the increment of 10% year on year. An employee receiving a monthly salary of Rs 20,000 with minimum pay of Rs 10,000. The employee's Provident Fund contribution in this situation will be 12% of basic salary or Rs 1,200. His contribution will be Rs 38,74,616 if he retires at the age of 55, considering the increment of 10% year on year. All existing elements that constitute the wage need to be looked at as per the inclusions and exclusions, which means that companies would need to make sure that the exclusions as defined in the new wage code do not exceed 50% of the total remuneration. So, if a person's salary per month is Rs 1 lakh, the exclusions mentioned can't be more than 50% of the salary, therefore the basic wage will have to be 50,000. Companies may have to cut down certain allowances to meet the 50% limit for basic wage. Employers can offer flexibility in CTC as per current tax laws. Hence, the 50% allowances should have all exempt options like HRA, LTC and prerequisites, that is Kalis, meal coupons, etc. This will help staff choose as per their family and financial needs. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.